To check if Snapchat servers are down or if there is a wider issues, you can visit websites like Down Detector or Is Down, which provide real-time updates if user reports about outage. Additionally, Snapchat's official support channels on social media often post announcements about ongoing problems. If there are no reports of a server outage, but you are still facing issues, it's a good idea to first check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. Restarting the app or your device can sometimes fix temporary glitches. Make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store, as outdated apps often cause problems. Clearing the app cache from your device settings can help remove corrupted files that might be causing malfunctions. So, go to your phone settings, then apps, app management, or manage apps depends on your phone model. Then find Snapchat from the list. Tap on it, tap on storage, then clear cache. If issues persist, uninstall and reinstall Snapchat is a reliable way to reset the app completely. Also, verify that your device operating system is up to date to avoid compatibility issues. If none of these steps work, contacting Snapchat support for personalized help is recommended. Following these steps usually helps resolve Snapchat not working problems effectively.